Manager soko je ku.
Mzee. Bobo kinza okamira ddala. Awo wenyewe kweli dili kiza kubeera max katika calm down wano nja kudda waawo wamma sitama wano wansoko oli tosobola beera max katika ale twagatandika
Names I'm SP Okobo Godfrey, Operations Officer Fire and Rescue Services. We received a call from our control room indicating that there was a fire at E'mengo. Initially, we didn't know that it was a school. Immediately, we dispatched 2 vehicles to respond. That was about 11:47 minutes. So before our team could arrive at the scene, another call comes from another caller saying it is a school on fire. And therefore we had to send more equipment, more firefighting vehicles to come to the scene. So on arrival here, our team discovered that the fire had already spread. That means the fire passed through the roof when it was burning. The initial fire started on the other side of the block. We are not yet privy to what caused the fire, but counter information available indicates to electrical short circuit that would have caused the fire. But of course, we are not going to rely on that as of now. We are going to continue to look into the scene to ascertain what could have caused the fire. The building which was on fire, it was a building which was housing administrative offices and dormitories. On the left side, the other side is a boys' dormitory according to some information. On the other side is a girls' dormitory. So we are yet to ascertain the total number of kids who have got affected by this fire, and we shall be providing details. I'm sure our public relations office of police will take on from here.
How long do you expect the investigation?
The investigation will depend. If it requires forensic analysis, that means it will take slightly long. But if it does not require forensic analysis, then the report will come out as soon as possible.
In assessment, we had some issues that the government was so congested for inspections.
Yes, personally, I've also seen that the dormitories were highly congested. That is, of course, something which, first of all, the school administration should have looked into. We usually visit schools and advise, not to punish them, but to advise. Okay? When we find something like this, we tell them, guys, please decongest the dormitories. We have ongoing inspections across the country taking place. Some of these inspections are even sponsored by some organizations like Vivo Energy. So the essence is to promote safety, to ensure that all our children are safe. So this is not acceptable, of course. They will answer to another authority about it. For us, what our concern is to ensure that everybody remains safe wherever they are.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's this metal that is holding it.
These are classes. omukka gubadde guva wano bwebuti nga gusaanikira awo wonna tetusooka lwe tufuluma ebweru netufudako okusigi netukomawo embadde nyuma Mulimu